Meet my cousin Mia. Mia came to visit us. I introduced her to our elves. Jeff Applejack, Jingle, and their dog Christmas. We made a reindeer craft together.
Doesn't really look that good.
Mia liked the pink glue. I think it's too glittery. We had so much fun playing together.
I do like presents. Then I'll get you a present. Right here. Give me all that. Here you go.
What craft did you make?
Reindeer.
Mia got a little nervous when I took her bowling. I had a lot of fun teaching her how to bowl. Saying goodbye was the hardest part. I really want her to stay. Love you, Mia.